he just caught right on, and was blending words with ease, and learning how to read. And it not only built confidence in him, but it also gave me confidence as his mom, because I struggled at first, being nervous, thinking, am I doing this right? But once I saw how easy it was to teach the different courses, how easy it was to work with him, it gave me confidence as well. And I'm not gonna lie, it was a challenge at first because my son is very energetic, has lots of energy. So getting him to sit still, focus, was a challenge. But in the course, it also goes through different strategies and techniques on how to help him as well with that. And so I've seen a major difference. And now he's 5, he's in kindergarten, and he's well ahead of the curve. He's doing great. He enjoys reading. He picks up books all on his own. The course has helped so much that now I also have a 3-year-old son, and I'm using the same tools to teach him so that he can be even further along than Nixon was when we first started. So I genuinely believe that if you put in the time and the work and the effort with your child, then this course, that's all you need. It works. We're very happy with it.